Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to find your Bitget UID step by step, and I'll quickly explain the sign up versus login process so nothing confuses you. First, open your browser and go to bitgetapp.com. On the top right, you'll see Sign Up and Log In. If you're new, click Sign Up. You can register with email or mobile number. If you choose email, enter your email and create a password. Bitget will send a verification code to that email. Open your inbox, copy the code, and paste it to confirm. If you choose mobile, enter your phone number, set a password, and you'll receive an SMS code. Enter that code to verify. If you already have an account, just click Log In, then use your email divided by phone plus password and complete the code or 2FA if asked. Once you're logged in on the website, look at the top right and click your profile icon. Right under your username or email, you'll see a short number that's your UID. Click to copy it if you need to send it to support or use it for promotions. If you're using the Bitget mobile app, open it and log in. Tap your profile icon, top left. Your UID appears just below your name, sometimes near the QR code or referral area. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little. It's always on that profile page. Quick note, your UID never changes, even if you update your username or password, so save it somewhere safe. That's it! Now you know how to sign up or log in correctly and exactly where to find your Bitget UID on both web and app. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.